Have you ever wondered why doing everything perfectly right still feels like you are completely falling behind? You went to school and got a decent job and saved your money exactly like your parents taught you. But when you look at your bank account and compare it to the cost of a basic house in 2026, the math simply does not make any sense. We have all been sold a very specific version of the American dream that involves a beautiful house and total financial security. However, recent economic data reveals that this exact dream has quietly transformed into a massive financial illusion for the majority of hardworking people. The rules of the wealth game were fundamentally changed while we were all busy trying to play by the old rulebook. If you feel like you are constantly running on a treadmill just to survive, you are definitely not imagining things. Today, we are going to break down exactly why the traditional path to success is secretly keeping you trapped. We will also explore what you can actually do to protect your future. But to understand the solution, we first need to look at the biggest wealth trap of our current generation. Chapter 1: The Disappearing Starter Home. For decades, the absolute foundation of building wealth was buying a modest starter home to build your initial equity. But as we navigate through the year 2026, that crucial first stepping stone has been almost entirely removed from the board. Recent housing reports show that the national market is currently short over 4 million homes because of severe underbuilding. This massive shortage has created a brutal environment where regular buyers are constantly outbid by massive corporate investors. Furthermore, the median price for a basic resale house is now actually more expensive than a newly built home in many areas. This creates a terrifying situation where over 60% of young adults believe that buying a home this year is completely unrealistic. When the barrier to entry becomes this incredibly high, an entire generation gets permanently locked out of the traditional wealth-building machine. You are forced to pour thousands of dollars into rent every single month while watching property values climb further out of reach. This housing crisis forces us to confront a very uncomfortable truth about how the economy actually functions today. The system is no longer designed to help you climb the ladder of success. Chapter 2: The Wealth Concentration Vacuum. While everyday people are struggling to afford basic housing, something truly unprecedented is happening at the very top of the financial pyramid. We are currently witnessing the most rapid and aggressive transfer of wealth in modern human history. The top 10% of households now control nearly 70% of all the wealth in the country. This is not just a natural byproduct of a healthy capitalist system working exactly as intended. It is effectively a giant vacuum cleaner that quietly siphons money away from the working class and hands it directly to the ultra-wealthy. When economic experts study the data from 2026, they see that median home prices and living costs have completely outrun average paychecks. You might be working twice as hard as your parents did at your exact age, but your actual purchasing power is significantly lower. This massive disconnect explains why you feel an underlying sense of panic even when you get a small raise at work. The financial goalposts are being moved further away from you every single day, and the primary engine driving this massive wealth gap is something you interact with constantly. Chapter 3: The Devaluation of Hard Work. The original promise of the American dream was beautifully simple and incredibly appealing to anyone willing to put in the effort. If you worked diligently and stayed out of trouble, you were virtually guaranteed a comfortable and stable middle-class existence. But the modern economy has completely severed the connection between hard work and guaranteed financial prosperity. We have transitioned into an era where the return on human labor is constantly shrinking, while the return on invested capital keeps exploding. This means that people who already own valuable assets become richer automatically, while people who only trade their time for money slowly fall behind. You can be the absolute best employee at your company and still find yourself struggling to build any meaningful long-term savings. The systemic inflation of the past few years has acted as an invisible tax that secretly destroys the value of your hourly wage. Relying strictly on a single salary to achieve the traditional dream is now mathematically impossible for the vast majority of citizens. But instead of fixing this fundamental problem, society has presented us with a very dangerous distraction. Chapter 4: The illusion of luxury consumption. Because the big milestones like homeownership feel so completely out of reach, millions of people have unconsciously shifted their financial priorities. Instead of saving for a down payment that might take 7 years to accumulate, we console ourselves with immediate premium experiences. We buy expensive smartphones and lease luxury cars and finance extravagant vacations just to feel a fleeting sense of actual success. The internet completely bombards us with images of fake wealth, forcing us to constantly compare our normal lives to highly curated highlights. This creates a deeply toxic environment where you feel intense social pressure to look wealthy, even if you are secretly drowning in terrible debt. Large corporations completely understand this psychological vulnerability, and they offer endless credit options to help you fund this temporary lifestyle. You are essentially renting the feeling of the American dream while sacrificing your actual ability to ever truly achieve it. This consumer trap keeps you entirely dependent on your next paycheck and permanently enriches the massive banking institutions. To break free from this exhausting cycle, we have to fundamentally rethink our entire approach to modern survival. Chapter 6. The Rise of the Renting Reality. The realization that the old system is broken has forced an entire generation to completely rewrite the rules of modern living. In 2026, we are seeing a massive surge in neighborhoods specifically designed and constructed entirely for permanent renters. For a very long time, renting was aggressively stigmatized as throwing your money away or failing to reach true adulthood. But as the traditional path becomes blocked, many incredibly smart people are actively choosing to remain renters to protect their financial agility. They realize that tying up their entire net worth in a single, overpriced piece of real estate is actually a massive, uncalculated risk. By avoiding exorbitant property taxes and endless maintenance costs, these strategic renters are actually freeing up their capital for much better investments. They are building robust stock portfolios and starting digital businesses instead of worrying about repairing a broken roof. This mindset shift is absolutely crucial because it separates the emotional desire for a house from the logical need for wealth creation. However, escaping the real estate trap is only the first part of adapting to this totally new economic reality. Chapter 7. Escaping the Matrix. Breaking free from this illusion requires you to completely let go of the expectations placed upon you by older generations. Your parents might genuinely never understand why you do not want to take out a massive 30-year mortgage for a suburban house, but you have to ruthlessly accept that the economic environment they thrived in simply does not exist anywhere anymore. The people who will truly win in the next decade are the ones who refuse to play a rigged game. They will minimize their fixed living costs and aggressively invest the difference into their own personal growth and diversified portfolios. You have the remarkable power to define what a successful life actually looks like on your own specific terms. It might mean traveling the world while working remotely, or simply living a quiet, debt-free life in a modest rented apartment. Once you stop chasing a fabricated illusion, you instantly remove a massive amount of unnecessary stress from your daily existence. You are no longer failing at the American dream because you have bravely chosen to build something entirely better for yourself.